sweet. So let's make some peanut butter cookies. 3 ingredients, that's it. You need a cup of peanut butter. That's the kind I use. You need a cup of sugar, and you need 1 egg. That's it. That's the whole recipe. Cup of peanut butter, cup of sugar, and an egg. Now, tonight I'm gonna experiment a little bit. My kids love this Biscoff cookie butter. So I'm gonna do 1 batch, just a traditional peanut butter. Then I'm gonna do a 2nd batch with the Biscoff cookie butter. Let's get to it. Got your cup of sugar. I'm gonna do the regular ones first. This is the cup of peanut butter. And then 1 egg. Get your oven preheating to 350 and then just mix these 3 ingredients up. And I'm gonna tell you a little trick. If you'll put your dough in the refrigerator or the freezer for a few minutes before you try to scoop it out and press them down, they're gonna be easier to work with. So I'm gonna mix the other ones up while I put these in the freezer. I'm gonna put me another cup of sugar, the Biscoff cookie butter, and if y'all are wanting to know where I got my shirt from, it's the same place I got that shirt the other day that said pray on it. This one says love like Jesus. Comes from This and That Vinyl in Clanton, Alabama. I'll try to put them down below. I love that cookie butter too. Tastes like cookies already. Now I'm gonna do 1 egg again. Now I got me a pan with some parchment paper. I got the first batch out. This one's the one with regular peanut butter. Just get you a regular size cookie scoop, or just use a spoon, it don't matter. Well, you can't lick the scoop, I think they use it again.
Oh, dang it.
Just get them on there, it don't gotta be perfect. With peanut butters, they don't rise like regular cookies. That's why you always see the crisscross pattern. So you need to press them down with a fork. So you're just pressing them down, doing a little crisscross on each one. Got them in the oven, now I'm gonna start with the cookie butter ones. With the cookie butter one, I'm gonna do the same thing because I really don't know how they're gonna do in the oven. Have never tried it. Now you're gonna take them out before they look fully done because you want them to be real soft. I'm gonna put the cookie butter ones in. It's probably only about 8 minutes. I'm making some coffee and I'm gonna let them cool just for a minute and then I'll call the kids and we'll try them. Try these cookies. We just peeked at the cookie butter ones and those might not turn out like we want them to. It's got like, they must have extra sugar in them or something and it looks like syrup swimming in there with them. Regular peanut butter ones. We've already had these 100 times. You gonna try? Hannah don't want to get on camera because she's got a face mask on and she's got her hair twisted up in one of them things that makes it curly when she wakes up. What do you call them things?
Heatless curlers.
A heatless curler. I think she looks cute.
Tastes good though.
Just show them.
I'm gonna drag you over your heel.
Oh, these are
my
so good.
pajama pants and my house shoes.
3 ingredient peanut butter cookies. You have to make these if you don't already.
The refrigerator just tastes what? Okay. Mom! You should have made smaller.
Well, they don't look the best, but they actually smell so good. We're fixing to try it. Let it cool for a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and get the forks out because we're not gonna be able to pick this up. That's what it looked like after it settled and cooled for a minute. And it's very not pick upable. We're gonna try it with a fork. Cookie butter don't work with this recipe, but I bet it'll still taste good. Look how thin it is. Paper thin. Well, this is pretty good. It does taste good. For texture, it's a no. Probably have to find a recipe that has flour and can give it more texture. But regular peanut butter on those other cookies has always been a win. Y'all try it. I love you. Stay classy.